Namaste, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is nothing but it is bhindi masala. So before going to this video, you have to subscribe to my channel, and let's start with the video. So you need 2 onions, 2 potatoes and some bhindis. First you're going to take in a pan some oil. Now you can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Once the oil is heated, and then you can add some green chilies. So here you can add some onion. So now you can add some potatoes. And now you can add some salt. Now you're gonna cook onion and potatoes till it get browned. The gas is in the medium flame. Add turmeric powder, some red chili powder, some coriander powder, some goda masala, so now it's the right time to add some bhindi, which is nothing but a lady finger. So I'm gonna mix it very well. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. So here is a twist. So I'm going to add a magic masala. Mix it well. Again cook for 5 to 10 minutes in a medium flame. So here I'm gonna add some salt for a taste. Leave for 5 minutes. So yeah, food is ready. That's all for the video. Hope you like my video. So till that time, bye. I'll see you in the next video.